chilling on the water. This is what we like to do.
I'm qualified too. I can't believe it.
Happened when you... Alright guys, it is a weekend again. Didn't film much the last couple of weeks because there's not been much really going on. And we've got Silverstone F1. Come on Lewis. Couple of jobs going on today. It's too windy to go boating as usual. Brother's here.
Good morning.
Alright. So I'm going to take these rubbers out at the back door. These rubbers. They run literally all around the boat. I don't like them. So I'm going to take those out. If anyone knows of anything better to replace it with, but it goes right the way around the boat. So I'm going to take it all out. Not all today, but I'm going to take a bit out today and then work out the size of it and what I can put in there. So I might put some more lights in there. There we are, looking good. Oh, got a few things coming up. I'm going to get out this wind. Too windy to go boating today. Get out this wind. I'll tell you what we got going on. Right, so it is July and we've got Bristol Harbourfestival in 2 weekends time, so we're going to be dressing the boat for that. I won it last year, the first ever competition they did, best dressed boat on Secret Squirrel when I dressed that up for Al. So this year I'm going to dress ours up and make it even better. So I've got 5 more sets of lights coming. I've got some bunting to go up. I was going to do that today, but it's too windy. I don't want it to get ruined because there's 2 weeks to go. So that's the Harbourfestival. From the Harbourfestival, we then got a week off, and weather permitting, we're going to go straight from the Harbourfestival over to Penarth, just for a day, and then from Penarth, we're going to go to Swansea. I can't do Welsh accent, sorry guys. So we're going to go to Swansea for a week. So that will be fun. So yeah, we've got quite a few things coming up. We've got a couple of projects going on. I've got a quote coming in for the charging system. So we're going to do Victron power inverter charger. I'm getting a quote for someone else to do that because it's a bit complicated and I don't want to mess it up and burn the boat down. So yeah, that's I'll let you know on that one how that pans out. And normal boat jobs. Alright, stick around, see what we get to.
See what he's up to. What are you up to?
Oh, I'm trying to get his rubber out of here.
Have a look, let me put the camera on it. Oh, look there.
I just want to get it out. It's so,
like it's a hard job.
Brittle. I think if I do get it out, I'll never get it back in. But I do need to replace it.
I think maybe you need to ask someone about that. Yeah, but look, you're going to take things out, but...
Yeah, that's right.
I'm not sure about this. This is... I think this is a no from me.
It's got to be done. It does my head in. All it does is trap
It does
dirt.
his head in, but then it doesn't do my head in.
It just traps dirt in there, and then every time I clean a boat, just black shit runs down all the time. And it looks crap. He needs a bumper rubbing strip running around the entire boat. That's what fenders are for.
I'm not sure about this. Let us know what you think.
Oh, it's coming. Back, never done that back in.
Oh, Benjamin. God, what has he done?
Alright.
Yeah, but do you know what? He's done that. Let's have a look at the door. But there's a black strip here.
Yeah, I know.
I'm never going to get that bit on.
Yeah, I can take that one out as well. I've got to measure it now and order a new one to go in it.
Oh, I don't like that.
I was looking at taking this off completely, but then it's going to leave a mess, and then I've got
It's a no from me.
to deal with all that. Alright, see what happens.
I'm not impressed.
She will be impressed when it's finished. She always is.
Not yet. That's not impressed me. That
Right.
don't impress me much.
God, fucking hell, she's hard to please, isn't she? Alright, let's see what we end up doing with it. I don't think I'm going to get that bit back in. Right, so all I've done is today is really make a mess. I haven't really achieved anything, but I've got the rubber thing out and can't get it back in as predicted. So yeah, just going to source the rubber. And over here, Brother Rich, I'm going to see what Brother Rich has been up to. Look at the mess he's made over here. And Bella.
Back to you.
Here's Bella. Hello Bella, say hello. Say hello.
Well, I started by removing the radar.
He's removed his old radar.
And then uncovered us.
Which weighs an absolute,
yes.
absolute ton. Can't be how heavy that thing is. Bella, stop looking at me.
Way too heavy for that, I would have thought.
Yeah. Getting it for 5 knots now, mate.
And then just going through all the wiring. This is all just speakers and lights, but
yeah.
I worked out that there's an anchor light and the side lights were anchor lights and a steaming light that wasn't connected, so yeah. And it gets worse.
Junction box gets worse down here. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, see, not just me that rips some boat apart on the weekend. That's what we got to do, guys. When we got these older boats, we've got to find out what all these wires do.
Not as organised as you.
Yeah. Well, you haven't been in there much, have you?
Nah.
To be fair, that's not your mess.
No, not really. No. I will get to sorting that out. See how far I get today.
Yeah.
Probably stay like that.
Yeah, it's definitely going to stay like that tonight. It's near beer time. It is. Isn't it better by that? Hey, you're the smallest boat dog on the planet, aren't you? Hey. Alright, that's his old radar. Yeah. There we are, guys. All happening. So yeah.
Done.
Let's see how else we get to over the course of the weekend. But it looks like a bit of a project weekend. It's soon be beer time. Right, evening time. Brother Rich has got a new contraption, an outdoor cooker. So we'll probably get bollocking from the marina for doing it on the pontoon, but you know, we'll take the bollocking and apologise after. Better than having it on the boat. So yeah, it's looking good. So we're doing it outside Jace's boat, and normal cruise here. It's not meant to rain. 0% chance of rain today. So yeah, looking good. Right, beer time after all the hard work of not doing a lot of. I don't think I've achieved much today, really, but there we are. Let us know in the comments. So yeah, sausages. Let's get this on. Right, so we're on Jace's boat, Blue Daiquiri, and we've got some blue daiquiris. Go on in. I've never had a blue daiquiri before, but I'm on a boat called Blue Daiquiri, so I've got to try it.
Oh. Lovely.
Yeah, that's a blue daiquiri. Here we are, Target 38.
I don't think it's going to be a go-to cocktail.
Yeah, Rich is the one that really likes it.
Not my favourite drink. I think I'll go back to beer.
Hi guys, so it's Monday the 6th of July. I'm here on my own. I got a day off work, so what I've been doing is a little bit of cleaning. So it's cleaning the heads. Lovely job, but it's got to be done. What I've been doing is cleaning all this nice and shiny. I've been using vinegar, white vinegar. Got the tap. The tap's come up wonderful. I've just done this. I mean, there are bits on it, bluey bits I can't get off, but it's coming off, like some of it. It's really good, look. And I've started on here now, so I haven't done this bit yet. I'm working on this bit at the moment, but I should do the other heads as well. So in the bedroom, so it's just me here holding up the fort, really. So happy days.
Alright guys, so it's a weekend again, and we've been a bit slow on filming stuff at the moment because not a lot's been happening. A bit hectic life and stuff. But at the moment it is Bird's birthday. Happy birthday, Bird. Happy birthday. Cheers to the bird. Ching ching. Brother. I'll show you the balloons brother put up. So,
Getting the right way around.
getting the right way around, yeah. So we are heading down to the beach for a barbecue. And tomorrow it is all about getting Princess Maurette ready for the Harbourfestival. There's the balloons. 46, 64 if you're sat inside looking out. But you get the idea. So yes, there we are. So I've got lots of lights to go on the boat. I've got bunting to go on the boat. And we're going to dress to impress to win the competition at Harbourfestival. So that'll be tomorrow. At the moment, chilling out. Lots to do. Yeah. Cards. She's put her presents away. There we are. So she's 64 from inside. Alright. So yes, a bit sporadic with what we've been filming recently because as I say there's not been too much boating stuff going on, but got lots to come. So it's what day is it? Saturday. England football playing tonight. So July the 11th today, Bird's birthday. We're going down to the beach tomorrow. All the lights on the boat. Thursday off to Bristol to the Harbourfestival. So we will be heading down Thursday morning, and then Harbourfestival is on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then we're going to be heading off to Penarth, and then off hopefully to Swansea, and then possibly to watch it because we've got a week off. So we've got a lot going on, and I think Jason Max are just coming back from Swansea themselves. Yeah, they are. Right, we're going to go and grab his lines. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. So, all going on here, guys. Oh, look at the sunset. That's looking good, isn't it? Beautiful. RNLI have been out. They're just coming back in, apparently. It's always cool to see. This is us. Literally 6-minute walk from the boat. Blimey. Oh. Whoa. That's a bit far out. I think no way he's getting back out of that. Yeah, your burgers are ready. Go. You have to get it yourself. The chef's down on the beach. They're in. Oh, bloody hell. No, you can't get out. Ooh, how deep can that tractor go? Yeah. There we are. Right, back to the barbie. I'm still on the beach and RNLI are going back out. So quite possibly a proper call out because it's quite low out there to get the boat back in the water. It'll be interesting. I shall ask in a moment. Ah, they can drive right round there to the other side. There's another slipway. where those guys are playing there. Alright. Wow, interesting. All happens around here. Right, I'm going to head back because football's on about an hour and a half, so going to get back and watch football. Everyone's packing stuff up. Oh, better not have my bloody sausage. I left a sausage on there. Richard. Right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Packing up now for a football. Football time, and we're gonna win. Yes, we are.